Peace be with you, he said. Do not believe, but believe. Thomas said in response, to judge which would be the first. One time, a king initiated a drawing contest. First for peace, then he finds peace. Peace. But then they realized that Jesus said peace, at the same time, this peace must be accepted. That the military must be firm in their determination to wipe out once and for all the Abu Sayyaf, because they have already done many evils in Basilan, in Zamboanga, and even in the country. My faith teaches me to forgive, but then my human dimension also is telling me, how can you forgive if they have already killed people, if they have already done injustices to the Christian communities? That was really my feeling, and I have a difficulty really living my faith in that particular context.
Soul searching yon. Kung ang mga tao doon sa itaas na humahawak pa hanggang ngayon sa mga hostage ay magkaroon lang sana ng puso, lalo na sa mga bata, baka sakali sa panalangin namin ng lahat na Kristiyanos dito sa Basilan, ipalayain na nila yung lahat na hostages at saka magkaroon na ng yung tinatawag na reconciliation.
Saka na pag may kahilingan sila, mamaya na lang yun yung pag-uusapan nila yung kanilang kahilingan. Pero mas maganda yung ibibigay ninyo na i-release ninyo yung mga hostages para lang makapag-usap ng gusto.
Productive for the armed forces to reveal what our assessments are. This is already the norma, or towards the end of this particular crisis. We think in the next day we will be able to wrap up this particular problem and fully be in control of Punong Muhaji, the area where the Abu Sayyaf's lair has been the object of operations of the armed forces.